Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by cleaning the upper lip so thread grips hair and not oil. Once dry, trim any long hairs to about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. Shorter hair threads more cleanly. Cut a 18 to 24-inch piece of 100% cotton dental or sewing thread and tie the ends into a secure loop. Make 2 tight overhand knots so the loop won't slip. You'll hold the loop with both hands and form an X in the center to trap hairs. You now focus on control and the twisting motion, because that's the action that pulls hair from the root. Position the twisted X directly over a small section of hairs, then anchor the ends with your thumbs and rotate the middle fingers to create about 6 to 12 twists. More twists increases grip. Pull the thread sides apart so the X slides and pinches hairs. This plucks multiple hairs in one motion. Once done with a row, move outward and keep skin taut to reduce pain and breakage. You finish by soothing and protecting the skin to prevent irritation and ingrown hairs. Immediately apply a cold compress for a few minutes, then a light, fragrance-free aloe gel. Make sure to avoid makeup for 24 hours and use SPF if you go outside. If you notice hair breakage rather than root removal, reduce the number of twists and red-eye in the loop or trim hairs shorter before retrying. This prevents snagging. And if redness persists beyond 48 hours, pause and reassess technique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.